Before I begin and read the meditation, it is coming from a book titled Give Me a Word by Christine Wolters-Paintier. And I wanted to share this meditation with you because in the coming weeks we will be having our burning bowl ceremony and our white stone ceremony where we choose a word for the upcoming year. So this meditation allows us the time and space for the word to come to us in the coming weeks. And so as you become settled in your seat and you take that first deep breath in and let it out, continue to take those slow breaths in. And if it feels comfortable to you, I invite you to gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. And as you become centered, bringing your awareness from your mind to your heart, imagine you're dropping down into your body, into the place of receptivity and intuition. Rest here in the sanctuary of the heart for a few moments, allowing yourself space to just simply be. Become aware of this presence of the infinite source of compassion who dwells within you like an enduring flame. And as you rest here, begin to open the eyes of your heart to a doorway appearing in front of you. Allow some time to notice how the portal appears to you. Do you see the color and texture of it? The shape of it? Your felt sense about the door? Bring a sense of reverence to this door, knowing that it represents a new season of your life beckoning to you. Reach out your hand and turn the knob, and slowly open the door and stand there at the threshold between the old and the new. Notice how you feel there in this liminal space. And as you dwell on the threshold, become aware of any longings or desires that you carry in your heart. What are your hopes for the seasons ahead? What is the prayer you carry with you? Attune to what the words of the prayer might be for you, holding it lightly, knowing that the journey will reveal its own direction as you move through. And as we sit in the silence, ask that you receive a word in the coming days, one to nourish and inspire you over many months. Ask that you attune and listen to the ways the word might arrive in your life. And as you gently bring your awareness back to the room, take some time in the coming weeks to reflect on what you noticed and what you discovered.